Howdy everyone. Hey, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. That's my company. And this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. I'm always looking for the greatest apartments, the newest ones, the best in Dallas. So today we're at the Alta Riverside. We've already explored the outside, kind of giving you a feel of what that's like. But now let's actually, we're going to walk in. I will just want to show off the lobby. And it's not just the lobby, but there's a lot of amenities to explore. So let's start to walk in here and kind of look. So over here to the left, there's kind of a, just kind of a waiting area, a lounge area. It's pretty cool. So just a fun area over here, just really cool couches and things like that. The leasing team and things like that, they're over there. And then now we're going to go see a little bit more. So let's go walk and see. Hey, we got some great coffee that's free. Oh, with some syrups and everything. So making it fancy there. So some really cool stuff there. We have a gym we're going to see in a minute. We've got some really cool kind of bench areas. I kind of love these areas, actually. These are really cool. These bench areas, so you can sit and kind of chill. And then you've got this area, kind of a game area. It's really fun. Fun game area, and you can see it has some classic. What is that? Multicade. Oh, okay, so it's going to have a lot of games. And then, hey, you've got a huge area over here that's super, super fun. So, man, I love this area. This is really, really fun. A lot of game and stuff like here to do. This is just awesome. Really pretty area. I love the build out. It's fun. It's so big. And now, hey, let's go explore some more. Let's start with that pool. The pool's going to be next. Let's go see it. Hey, if you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. Now, next, let's go see that pool.